In this video, I will show you how to show or hide the formula bar in Microsoft Excel. You can see this is the formula bar. Once you select any cell, you will see the which formula is used here. So if you want to hide this formula bar, click on View, and here is the option Formula Bar. Show the formula bar so you can see formulas in cells. So just unselect this box. So now that one is hidden. Again, you need to show. Just click on it. Similar way, you can hide guidelines and headings. Again, you want to show these all. So select and check this box. So this is the way you can show or hide formula bar in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.